welcome to next class. Up to 38 problems completed. 39th problems look at 1 by 2, 1 by 3 plus 1 by 1, 3 by 4. See here, 3 2s are first denominator mixed fraction they given, convert into improper fraction plus 1 by 4 into 1 plus 3 by 4. 1 by 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7 by 3 plus 1 by 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 3, 7. So like this, if they given fraction by fraction, we have to take reciprocal of this fraction. So 3 by 7 plus 4 by 7. So now these are like fractions. 3 plus 4 by 7, 7 by 7, 1. So answer what? 1. Option D is correct. See here, they given fraction by fraction. Here what? 1 is nothing but 1 by 1. So division of fractions already we know. 1 by 1 into reciprocal of this fraction, what you will get? 3 by 7. So I written here directly. So like this we will get. So this is a 49th problem. Option D is correct. Option D is correct. Next, 40 homework. 41. See 41. 2 1 by 6 plus 3 5 by 6 plus 10 1 by 6 is equal to y. Then y plus 4 1 by 6 we have to find. First find y value. How we will find? All are given like fractions but mixed fractions. If you convert into improper fraction, 6 into 2 plus 1 by 6 plus 6 into 3 plus 5 by 6, 6 into 10 plus 1 by 6. So what we will get? 6 2s are 12 plus 1, 13 by 6, 6 3s are 18 plus 5, 23 by 6, 6 10s are 60 plus 1, 61 by 6. So all are like fractions. Add numerators. 13 plus 23 plus 61. How much you will get? So 13 plus 23. 36. 36 plus 61. What you will get? 36 plus 61. 97 by 6. So therefore y value how much we get? 97 by 6. After getting y value, what we have to find here? Y value substitute here. 97 by 6 plus 4 1 by 6 convert into improper fraction. 97 by 6 plus 4 6 are 24 plus 1 25 by 6. So these are also like fractions. 97 plus 25. How much? 7 plus 5, 12. 9 plus 1, 10, 12. 122 by 6. 122 by 6. Here options they given into improper mixed fraction. So convert into mixed fraction. 122 divide with 2. What you will 6? What you will get? 6 2s are 12. So what you will get? Remainder 2. So what you will get? Answer directly we can't take 2 zeros 0. So 2 remainder 22 by 6. 22 by 6. 22 by 6. Again 2 by 6 they converted in simplified. So 21 by 3. 21 by 3. So which option is correct? Option C. 21 by 3. Which option is correct? Option C. This is 41 question. 42 also homework. Already I said more example problems. In that you can check it and you can do that. Next we go for 43. Arshit completed 1/5 of his assessment on Monday and 3/4 on Tuesday. How much his assessment did Arshit complete in 2 days? So, part of assessment completed on Monday. How much completed Monday? 1/5. And Tuesday, part of assessment completed on Tuesday. Tuesday, how much part completed? 3/4. So total part of assessment completed on 2 days. So what we have to do? Both days we have to add 1/5 plus 3/4. So these are like or unlike fractions. So their LCM denominator. So LCM, how much you will get? 5 4 are co-primes. Their product 5 4s are 20. 5 into 4, 20. If you take first fraction, how much? 4 table. 4 5s are 4/20. Next 3/4 into with 5. 3 5s are 15/20. Say therefore 4/20 plus 15/20. 4 plus 15/20. How much you will get? 19/20. 19/20. So which option is correct here? Option D. Option D, they given 19/20. Next one. 43 completed. 44. Find the perimeter of triangle whose lengths of sides are 3 1/3. This already I said in example problems. 44th one. Once you see given lengths of sides, of a triangle. Lengths, which lengths they given? 3 1/3, 4 2/3, 2 1/5 centimeters. What we have to find? Find the perimeter of triangle. If they given 3 sides lengths, what is the perimeter of triangle formula? Sum of lengths of a triangle has 3 sides. So sum of lengths of 3 sides. So we have to add 3 to 1/5 centimeters. So what you will get here? Multiply all mixed fractions, convert into improper fractions. 5 into 2 plus 1/5. So what you will get? 3 3s are 9. 10/3 plus 12 plus 2. 14/3 plus 11/5. These two are like fractions. 10 plus 14, 24/3 plus 11/5. Again these are unlike fractions. We have to find LCM. LCM of fractions, denominators 3 5. 3 5s are 15. So therefore, if you take first fraction, 5 times 5 4s are 20, 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 120, 15. 11 by 5 into 3. 11 3s are 33 by 15. Therefore, 120 by 15 plus 33 by 15. 120 plus 33 by 15. 153 by 15 centimeters. So what you will get? The given answers in mixed fraction. 15 tens are how much? 150. Remainder you will get 3. So 10 3 by 15. Again you will get cancel. So 10 1 by 5 centimeters. 10 1 by 5 centimeters. Option A is correct. Option A is correct. So today you do homework 35, 40, 42 problems. Already I given 46 problem also homework. So once you do 42, 46 also, tomorrow I will explain 45th problem. So today homework 35, 40, 42, 46 problems. Thank you. Have a nice day.